Dobar dan, Mija pri telefonu. Kako vam mogu pomoći?
Dobar dan, želim dodati karticu u digitalni novčanik.
Želite li dodati karticu na pametni telefon ili na pametni sat?
Na pametni telefon. Hello, my name is Vedran Mrvica. I'm head of contact center in Zagrebačka Banka. Zagrebačka Banka is the part of UniCredit and leading bank in Croatia. Because of repetitive calls, we started to look for other solution.
The key points that we found in the solution that really convinced us was the understanding of the Croatian language. Everybody was astonished by the level of capability of PolyAI to understand the local language and the possibility to completely revolutionize the experience of the customer going from the IVR to the direct talk to Mia, to our voice bot. In this moment, we have about 16,000 incoming calls per month. 25% of them are already managed by Mia, and our target is to come to 35% by the end of the year. After the launch of the voice bot, we had an increase of 14 points of the NPS. This shows a good response of the customers to the introduction of Mia.
For future state implementation, what we have on the voice channel, we also want to implement for the chatbot.
We recently introduced the integration with our backends. So we are introducing, for example, card blocking and blocking or cards limits management.
PIN možete vidjeti online. Koristite li možda neku od naših usluga online bankarstva mZabu ili eZabu?
Now the customer can start interacting with our voice bot and act on the specific products.
Mostly older customers, they are not aware that they are speaking with the voice bot, and they was very surprised with the quality of the talking and understanding of the voice bot.
I would surely recommend PolyAI to other financial organizations. The opportunities that are opening up are immense. I think that technologically there is the possibility to extend these solutions in many directions. And the proof that we recommend PolyAI is that we are recommending inside the group for implementation in other countries.